are in almost, well, we're a little past Eden. We are doing the paper airplane trail, and it's a bikeable trail, so some of the kids have their mountain bikes, but he's running, he's gonna bite it.
Use the brake! Use the brake!
Brake him! Good day! Watch out, boys, stay to the right, please! And we went on the wrong side, sorry, honey. There goes Brigham. Look how cool this treehouse is. Oh, where's Naders? There he is. Good job, Nate. Look how really cool this is. You can see this awesome, amazing view. Wow. There's another view of it. So cool. We should have all brought our bikes.
Where's Preston?
Oh, shoot. Preston's gone? Ah! They're switching out. It is a beautiful day. It is in September 8th. It's only like 72 degrees, slight breeze, and there's the paper airplane. Well, metal airplane on the paper airplane trail. We made it. Pretty cool. Ready?
Sandals.
There we go.
Watch out, Ty, watch out. They should have just put... Oh my God.
Ready?
Let's go home.
It's a pretty cool view up here.
Look, you my house.
Yeah, pretty cool house, huh? Woo! There we go. That's, look how dirty they are. Ew. Nice job, Nate.
Rob, you got this. Come on.
Okay, hurry. We got to get back. So the paper airplane trail, sorry, Robbie, is a big, huge loop. But we just went to the airplane and then head back because we're heading to the lake to go play for the rest of the day. But
There's a tree house.
totally beautiful. Easily we could do I think the loop it's not very long, it's only a couple miles. But then there's a couple other branches off into some other trails. So
And there's a tree house.
and there's a tree house. Lots to do here. Super beautiful. Awesome. Heading back. They ran ahead so they can get into the tree house. Look how cool that view is. Oh, there goes Robbie with his walking stick. How cute is he? I can't even see him anymore. Where'd he go? Oh, goodness. All right, you ready, Pumpkin? Yeah. No pressure.
Yeah, you have to go right there. Go on this line.
Ready. Someone forgot a bathing suit. Oh, Jackson.
I meant JoJo. I remember Jackson.
From that line.
Tell him if he goes before the line, Mom. Oh, that's close.
Oh, turny turn. And of course, it's never ending. Wrestling.
Hillside, mama.
Yeah, okay, he can't breathe. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a rock. Rock. Oh, over there. Don't even know. Okay, now go. I'm so tired. On the ground.
Bring up. Look, come here. You see that dog? Oh, whoa! Don't do that! His faces. Hey, Nathan, no more. They'll tackle you. Now he's toast. Bring him, I said no more! No, Briggs! Okay, I'm ready. Oh, what was I've never seen it like that before. Ah, dang, no fish. Keep going, keep practicing. And what are you doing over here, little monkey butt? Oh, you're building something with these sticks and the string from fishing?
Yeah.
You having fun, honey?
Yeah, Mom. In Wakanda.